Our Verify team works to separate fact from fiction. Posts are popping up online questioning the legality of getting a divorce when couples are expecting a child.
Claims say that some states prevent it, but is that true? Evan Kozloff verifies.
Take a look at this tweet right here. It claims that in 5 states, Texas, Arizona, Arkansas, Missouri, and Florida, you cannot get divorced if you're pregnant. So is this true? Let's verify. To get answers, we spoke with these 5 lawyers from across the country, one from each of the states in question. First off, our sources say this restriction is not laid out in any of the 5 state statutes. However, in each of these states, it is possible that a court could delay a dissolution of a marriage until a baby is born. Let's explain. Our Missouri and Texas lawyers say in those states, it's not impossible to get divorced while you're pregnant, but it's highly unlikely.
In Texas, they just don't want to complete a divorce case without rules regarding child support, possession and access, conservatorship, and then have to come back and relitigate those things in a few months once the child is in being.
Basically, in these 5 states, when a husband and wife get pregnant, the state automatically assumes the husband is the father. And our sources say that if a couple is divorced before the child is born, then the child could lose the legal right to certain financial or custody rights. For example, in Missouri and Texas, it's most likely that a judge will wait for the child to be born to determine paternity, custody allowances, child support agreements, etc. But family law attorney Claudia Work says it's actually unlikely that an Arizona judge would do the same.
People get divorced all the time before babies are born. If there's a dispute, there's a possibility that a divorce could last long enough for the baby to be born. But for the most part, judges aren't going to hold up divorces just to wait and see.
Arkansas and Florida are in similar situations. Legal agreements can be made to avoid the issue. So we can verify that this claim is false. Pregnant people are not banned from getting divorced in these states, but our experts say it is possible, depending on the circumstances surrounding paternity, that a judge could delay making a divorce official. With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozloff.